Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajala beri kemiru ekatanat Home Police ubak Prestone Tynsong. Ula pentip bagi sarkar jela kelapha igi bor penyiat distrik man pensisai kijingkam nakasinong Thang Sky bala keno bala tep imigi laingut kinong bala Dewiong hagajing kelem jong ke Krem ti Dewiong. Ubak Prestone Tynsong ulong bagi jela kampat yo ekanu kai pot ban pensisha hadu menta barula penpau ula petha igi bor penyiat distrik ke East Janja Hills ban wat ekajing shisha. Habakran ikajing keno bagi BJP jong kejela syapang ke kam ti Dewiong bian kala keno ubak Prestone Tynsong luong bagi la menan kijing ia hang ni hang tai dari sarkar kalong bapet ngor ban tela kami ki kam ti Dewiong bian ha kejela la ban kreu hang ni ba ka nyu trik no opra kala sapriang ke kubor badon laingut kinong bela na kejela ke belayap ka jing tua ka Krem Dewiong ha kisnong Thang Sky ha ke distrik East Janja Hills.
Any report run now. In fact, I've already directed our district administration to find out whether it's true or not. But till now, we are yet to get any clue on that. Okay.
Sir, the state BJP president has alleged that coal mining is still rampant in the state, and he has, demanded for an ED.
See, I'm telling you, we are always on the job of checking out and reaching out wherever we get the information if illegal mining takes place or not. And that is the ongoing process that we are doing. And we are trying our best to make sure that illegal mining does not at all take place. Of course, there are challenges because you knew it well. The places where we have to go, you can't even, there is no approach. You have to go walking. It takes you not less than 5 hours, 6 hours, deep down to the gorge. So therefore, the challenges are there, no doubt of it, but still, we are trying our best, and we have instructed the district council to be more proactive on this sector, make sure that the illegal mining does not happen anymore.